हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज आम पढ़ा क्लास 9th द फर्स्ट स्टेप आई. Now answer the following. Question number 1. Who are the characters in this part of the story? Answer. There are 3 characters in this part of the story. Ammu, a 10-year-old girl, her father and her younger brother. Question number 2. Describe Ammu's house and family. Answer. Ammu's house was just a room in the servants' quarters of the big house. There were 3 people in Ammu's family, including her. She had father and younger brother in her family. Her father made Ammu work and did not let her take education. Question number 3. Who was Cheleppa? What did he tell Ammu? Answer. Cheleppa was Ammu's father. He wanted Ammu to work as maid at new owner of the big house. He wanted her to earn money from the family and for the education of his younger brother, Chinni. Question number 4. Did Ammu want to go to school? How did her father react to Ammu's wish to go to school? Answer. Yes, Ammu was keep on going to school. His father did not want Ammu to send to school because he thought that education didn't serve any meaning to her. One day she would get married and it would not be useful for her. Question number 5. Do you think Ammu's father would send her to school? Answer. No, I didn't think Ammu's father would send her to school. Double I, para double I. Now answer the following. Question number 1. Who was the new owner of the house? What was she like? Answer. The new owner of the house was a lady named Mrs. Mohan. She was a slim, grey-haired lady who was widow. Question number 2. What did Ammu do at Mrs. Mohan's house the next morning? Answer. Ammu went to Mrs. Mohan's house next morning and washed few vessels in the sink. Question number 3. What drew Ammu like a magnet? What did she do then? Why? Answer. When Ammu went to the drawing room, the bouquets drew her attention. She then fingered the books lovingly and gazed at the pictures in a book. She was interested in reading. Question number 4. Mrs. Mohan asked Ammu if she wanted to go to school. Did she say anything about her brother? Answer. Ammu told Mrs. Mohan that she would love to go to school, but her father wanted her younger to send to school. She did not say anything about her brother. She just told what her father wished for her brother. Question number 5. What did Ammu say to Mrs. Mohan? Answer. Ammu told Mrs. Mohan that her father did not allow her to go to school and he wanted her younger brother to take education instead of her. Question number 6. Will Mrs. Mohan help her to go to school? Answer. Yes, Mrs. Mohan seemed to be nice and kind lady. So she may help Ammu to go to school. Paragraph III. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. What important event took place in the last part of the story? Answer. Mrs. Mohan was a kind and good human being. She felt sad when she came to know about Ammu's desperation for education. In the last part, we see that Mrs. Mohan, who was a headmistress, decided to teach Ammu every day at her home. The last part shows that how Mrs. Mohan is taking efforts to make Ammu's dream of learning complete. Question number 2. What did Mrs. Mohan plan to help Ammu? Answer. Mrs. Mohan came up with a plan that Ammu would visit Mrs. Mohan after completing her household chores, and Mrs. Mohan would teach her as long as Ammu wanted. Question number 3. Why is Ammu not ready to accept Mrs. Mohan's help to begin with? Answer. Mrs. Mohan asked to stop working and start going to school and told her that she would pay her fees. But Ammu asked who would cook for her father and brother and who would work for Mrs. Mohan. Ammu was worried because if she started to going to school, then there was no one to do the work that was assigned to her. Question number 4. What was the next plan that Mrs. Mohan had? Answer. When Ammu told Mrs. Mohan that there was no one to cook for her father and brother, and also she had to complete work given at Mrs. Mohan's house, then Mrs. Mohan came with another plan. Mrs. Mohan planned that after completing her chores, Ammu would visit Mrs. Mohan and learn as long as Ammu wanted. Question number 5. What made Ammu happy at the end? Answer. Mrs. Mohan's second plan made Ammu happy. Ammu requested Mrs. Mohan to start teaching one that day itself, and Mrs. Mohan began teaching with the alphabet. Ammu learned for an hour, and that made her happy. Question number 6. What is Ammu's first step towards her goal? Answer. Ammu's learning at Mrs. Mohan's was her first step towards her goal. Activity. Read the following jumbled sentence and arrange them in proper order to get the story. First have number 3. Ammu, a 10-year-old motherless girl, lived with her father and little brother, Chini. Second have number 6. Ammu was very eager to go to school like her brother. তারপরে হব number 3. Third রে হব Chiluffa, her father wanted her to work as a maid in the new owner's house to get money for Chini's story. Fourth রে হব number 1. Mrs. Mohan, the new owner, knew about Ammu's desire to a story. Fifth রে হব number 2. Mrs. Mohan realized the cause of Ammu's unhappiness and thought of starting a small school for unfortunate girls. Number 6th রে হব number 4. Mrs. Mohan told Ammu that she will help Ammu go to school. 7th রে হব 5. In the end, Mrs. Mohan taught her the alphabet and Ammu went home happily. Double I. Arrange the statement in column A in order as they appear in the story. Next, match those with the cursors in column B. Column A दिया है, column B दिया है. CHG ये होबो चलेप्पा. The money will be useful. It will help him to get a job. I will be busy all day at the big house. Chalappa. Then number A. I have a younger brother. Number D. My father will never agree. के कहते ना अम्मू. तापरे Mrs. Mohan. I do not need your help today. I want to talk to you. I shall teach you every day. सब देखिए लिखी नियो. Triple I. Read the following main ideas of the story, the first step, and put them in the appropriate boxes of the flow chart. तले चार्ट दिया है से चार्ट रे by word लिखिबो. The first step रो order by लिखिबा को पड़िबो. सब दिया है देखो. Chelappa's decision to send Chinu to school and Ammu to be a maid. Mrs. Mohan's interest and thought to open a school for unfortunate girls like Ammu. Ammu's wished to go to a school like his brother Chinni. Mrs. Mohan's final decision to teach Ammu and beginning of Ammu's alphabet learning. Mrs. Mohan's the flow chart habo. Chilappa's decision to send Chinni to school and Ammu to be a maid. Tapre habo. Ammu's wish to go to school like his brother Chinni. Tapre asibo Mrs. Mohan's realization about Ammu's interest for study. Next habo Mrs. Mohan's interest and thought to open a school for unfortunate girls like Ammu. Tapore Mrs. Mohan's final decision to teach Ammu and beginning of Ammu's alphabet learning. तापर हबो बॉक्स दिया है नी मु दे देछि तम माने भी देकी नबो बॉक्स गोटे बनेबो लिखिबो a man's help to live the child in the crowd and to make the child happy. IV column A below name the important characters in the story and column B list some words and phrases which describe them. Will you match each characters with the word or phrase that describe it? One is done for you. Column A B दिया है Chaleppa, poor watchman, one carrying illiterate servant. Ammu, polite motherless girl, maid, love for books, a young girl. Mrs. Mohan, widow, old, helping, kind, slim, educated, grey-haired. आंसर दे दीजिए देखिए लिखो समझते तापरे writing D. Answer the following questions in about 50 words each. So long answer hobo. Question number 1. Who was Chileppa? What did he want Ammu to do? Answer. Chileppa was a watchman at a big house. He had 2 children, elder daughter and younger son. He was a selfish and uncaring father. He wanted his elder daughter to work as a maid for the new owner and earn money. He did not approve his daughter wished to taking up education. Instead, he wanted her to work and wished to send his son to school. ভিডিওটি ভালো লাগলে সাবস্ক্রাইব করো। Number 2. Why is Ammu happy? Who made her happy? Answer. Ammu was unhappy because her desire of studying was shattered by her father. She wanted to go to school and learn, but her father did not allow her. When she was sent to Mrs. Mohan's house as a maid, there she sees books and fingers it gently. Mrs. Mohan realized that Ammu had a strong desire to study, so she decided to help her. Mrs. Mohan planned and told Ammu to visit her after completing her course and study as long as Ammu wanted. And on that day itself, Mrs. Mohan taught her alphabets. Mrs. Mohan's efforts in making Ammu learning made Ammu happy. Number 3. Collect information about Mrs. Mohan from the story and write a paragraph about her. Answer. Mrs. Mohan was an old widow who was the new owner of the house. She was slim, grey-haired lady. She had a daughter who was married and lived in Bombay. She was a retired headmistress. She was an educated woman who was kind. When she realized Ammu's passion for study, she thought of opening school for the unprivileged girls like Ammu. She wanted Ammu to go to school and was even ready to pay her fees. She was generous. She came with a plan that made Ammu happy and complete her desire to study. Mrs. Mohan was a lady who made Ammu happy, and this shows how good natured she was. Question number 4. Which character do you like the most? Why? Answer. I liked Ammu's character the most. Ammu is an obedient and hard-working girl. She obeys everything that her father tells. She accepts the situation the way it is. She has a deep passion for learning and wishes to take education. She readily accepts her father's wish of working as a maid, and at Mrs. Mohan's house, she completes her given work. When Mrs. Mohan asks her to go to school, then Ammu gets worried about the work that has been assigned her to do. She is an honest girl who does her work. When Mrs. Mohan tells her about the second plan, she becomes happy, for she is taking the first step towards her goals. Question number 5. Write a paragraph on Ammu's future. Answer. With the help and efforts of Mrs. Mohan, Ammu will surely achieve her goals. Ammu is a girl who has deep passion for learning, and she will take every possible effort to make her dream comes true. Ammu will go to a good school and pursue her education. Ammu will score good marks and become successful in life. She will have good career where she will not only earn money but also earn respect. Question number 6. How did the writer indicate the serious social problem and suggest solution to it? Answer. The writer has indicated the serious problem of girls' education. In India, still there are many people who believe that making girls educated is waste of money and time. so they prefer them to marry off early. Still, there are many girls in India who don't have primary education, and this become problem as the rate of illiteracy also increases. There are many ways we can find solutions to the above problem. Firstly, it is important to create awareness among the people, especially in the rural areas. By creating awareness, people would understand the importance of girls' education. Then we can also take the help educated women from the society to come together and put their example in front of the society. Women are no longer behind men these days, and one should make their daughters equally capable. Thanks for watching. ভিডিওটি ভালো লাগিলে সাবস্ক্রাইব করো, লাইক, কমেন্ট, শেয়ার করো। Thanks for watching.